Well, had a hit and run in front of the house last night, and so much for having a rust-free car from down south. Buckled the hood. This fender's buckled. Door's not touching the fender yet, so that's good that it's not too smashed in. Bumper's broken in half. This side doesn't look terrible. So, not sure what I'm going to do yet. To call the insurance company and see if they're going to want to fix it, or if they're going to total it, or what. It's not terrible. Of course, support doesn't let us push back too far. It's kind of hard to see. But it's just being able to get the parts for it. It's just the problem. So, of course, the person that hit it drove away, didn't leave any information except for some broken plastic parts. It's wonderful, you know, absolutely wonderful. So the most part of the bumper here, and destroyed my car. I love it. So I can piece some of this crap together and see what identify what the heck hit me. I don't know. This really sucks. Really sucks. If anybody has a line on a 79, 81 New Yorker or Newport nose, and you're somewhere near Northern Illinois, I would be interested in some parts if you got a reasonable price. Thanks for watching, everybody.